If you are no longer believing in the spiritual gifts operation, test them first. Don't judge them. You might sin against the Holy Spirit if you uh, if you try to critics them. Try the one who said that he has the Spirit and he has the gifts of the Spirit to minister to you. Test them first. Don't say anything against it. You might sin against the Holy Spirit. That was a very dangerous thing. You will just like Pharisee in the old times, in Jesus' time. So be aware. Don't talk against that you don't understand yet. You might sin against the Holy Spirit and the Lord. So test the Spirit first. That's what the Bible said in His Word. Test every spirit if they are really from the Lord or from the Word. Test them not based on your biblical knowledge or based on your what do you call this? Based on your doctrine taught to you by your professor in your school, Bible school. Don't ever do that. It was so dangerous. Test them first before you talk. If you can hold your tongue, bite your tongue first, so that you won't sin against God. You hear me? Good.